Hello students, in this video we shall see how to find angle between hour hand and minute hand of a clock. This is an important question. Let us see the method first and then we will solve these 4 questions. So let us try to understand what we do. Now if we consider a clock in 1 hour, the minute hand moves from 12 to 12. So total 360 degrees. So 1 hour 360 degrees. Minute hand moves 360 degrees in 1 hour. So in 1 minute is 60th part of an hour. So we have to divide this 360 by 60 and we get 360 divided by 60, that is 6 degrees. So we see minute hand moves 6 degrees in 1 minute. Is it clear? Okay. Now we consider hour hand. This is 1, 2, 3. We see from 12 to 3 this is 90 degrees. So 1 and 2 and 3 this must be 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees. So 12 to 1 it should be 30 degrees. And we know hour hand moves from 12 to 1 in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, hour hand covers 12 to 1, that is 30 degrees. In 1 hour 30 degrees, so in 1 minute 30 divided by 60, that is 1 by 2 degrees. So we see when 1 minute elapses, hour hand moves half degree and minute hand moves 6 degree, and they are moving in the same direction. Now when they move in the same direction, minute hand takes over 5.5 degrees to hour hand. So difference between them in 1 minute is 5.5 degree. Is this clear? Minute hand moves 6 degrees, but same time hour hand moves half degrees. So difference between them is 5.5 degrees. So we say in 1 minute the difference between hour hand and minute hand is 5.5 degrees. So we have to remember this value, 5.5 degrees per minute. If we remember this, we can go for these questions. So let us start these questions. I will draw a diagram for first two and then we shall see for the others. 8, 10. What is 8, 10? This is 9. This is 8. So first we consider 8 o'clock. This is the position. Angle between the arms is 30, 30, 30, 30. That is 120 degrees. That was easy for 8 o'clock. But now we want angle at 8, 10. After 10 minutes from 8 o'clock, what happens? Minute hand also moves. Hour hand is not stationary, it also moves for 10 minutes. And we have found the relation 5.5 degree. So angle increases by 5.5 degree per minute. So in 10 minutes, angle will increase by 5.5 into 10, that is 55 degrees. Now here angle is 120, it will increase by 55 when it goes to 8, 10. So 120 plus 55, angle should be 175 degrees. Is this clear? Okay. Now let us see the next sum, 10, 15. How is the position at 10 o'clock? This is 12, this is 11 and this is 10. Hour hand at 10 and minute hand at 12. The angle is 60 degrees. This is the angle between the arms of the clock at 10 o'clock. Now we want 15 minutes after 10. Again 5.5 degree per minute. So in 15 minutes 5.5 degree into 15. What is this? 15 5s are 75 plus half of 15 is 7.5 and 75 plus 7.5 is 82.5. So angle increases by 82 and a half degree. Earlier it was 60, it increases by 82 and a half, and so the angle becomes 142 and a half degree. Clear? Third question, 230. Now at 230 we have to find the angle. First we see angle at 2. This is minute hand and this is hour hand at 2. This angle is 60 degrees. Now after 30 degrees, now see here, minute hand will cross the hour hand and go ahead. So whatever is the angle we get in 30 minutes, we have to subtract this 60 from that bigger angle. We have seen 5.5 degree per minute. So in 30 minutes, the angle covered is 35 are 150 plus 15 is 165 degrees. In 30 minutes, minute hand goes ahead by 165 degrees. But this is 60 degrees angle. This is 165 degrees angle. So from this 165, we have to subtract 60. And so the angle becomes 105 degrees. So angle between hour hand and the minute hand will be 105 degrees at 230. Now let us find at 325. This is 3 o'clock. Angle is 90 degrees. Now we want for 25 minutes 5.5 degree into 25. This value gives 25 5s are 125 and plus half of 25 is 12.5. So 125 plus 12.5 is 137.5. That is minute hand goes ahead by 137.5, that is 137 and a half degrees. From that we have to subtract 90 and so the remaining angle is 47 and a half degree. So when minute hand goes here at 5, this angle will remain 47 and a half degree. So this is the way we find angle between arms of the clock at any time. Thank you.